Need to add a payment method on OfferUp to make purchases? Here's how to do it on the website, quick and easy. So first go to offerup.com and log in to your account. And you'll need to be signed in to access the payment settings. Now once logged in, click on the profile picture on the top right and then select purchases and sales. And from the drop down menu, so on the left side, click payment and deposit methods from account. And this is where you'll need to add or manage your payment info. Now click add debit card or credit card, then enter your card details and billing zip code. Once done, tap save. Now you can add multiple cards and set one as your default payment method. Just click set as default next to your card you want to use most. And that's it. So on the web, this is the methods, and in the app, this is the method here. Very same, almost similar method. Just you can pause the video to read the methods on the web or in the app. Anyway, that's all for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.